Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. This video covers Google Translate. It translates text, documents and websites from one language into another. Let's get started with Translate app. Open your Play Store app on mobile and download it. After installation, open it. This will be the interface. You can use Google Translate online as well as offline. First, let's see online interface of Google Translate. How you can use Google Translate online. After opening the app, this is the interface. After opening app, this is the interface of online Google Translate app. Click on the left top language. You can select your language from here. I have selected English. Towards right side, select other language. Here I have selected Hindi. You can select Marathi, Urdu, Arabic, Chinese, German and other languages. After selection, this means it will translate English to Hindi. By clicking on the middle two arrows, it switches the two language, that is Hindi to English. You can also convert Hindi to English. Now I will show you how to convert English to Hindi. Click on tab to enter text. There are different methods through which you can enter your text. Let's see the first method using keypad. When you click on this enter text, use keypad to type. For example, I want to convert word hello. So hello means namaste in Hindi. Scroll down below, it gives definition of the word, noun and verb also. This is the first method. That is, you can tap here and use keypad, type your text and convert it from English to Hindi. In this way, you can convert it into any language. Now let's see the second method. In front of tap to enter text, there is pen icon. Click on this pen icon. You can write using this pen icon. For example, I will write hello. You can see it translates your handwriting, that is handwritten word, into Hindi. It also gives you alternate translations. For example, namaste, namaskar. There is one more option over here. When you translate your text from one language to another, here in front of the word there is a star mark. There is a star. You can save it using this star. Now this is starred. Next option available here is copy option. You can copy the translated word and paste at any location. Next, third option is the three dots towards the right bottom. More option. You can share your translated text to other apps. Second option is full screen. You can use full screen to view the word. Third is start conversation. You can start conversation. Using this option, you can translate your conversation from one language to another. Here you can use mic. Next, last option is reverse translate. That is, it will reverse the translation. That is, First it was English to Hindi. When I click on reverse to translate, it became Hindi to English. Now let's see the third option, how to enter text, that is mic. You can use mic to enter your text. You can speak your text to convert from one language to other. Now let's see the first camera option, how it works. The first camera option converts using camera. It translates with the help of camera. In this way, you can convert any text from English to Hindi or from one language to another language. Next to the camera option is conversation option. You can convert your conversation. You can translate your conversation from one language to another. Let's see the third option, transcribe option. This lets you to translate in real time while someone speaks a different language. For example, you can translate a classroom lecture or speech. Languages such as English, Chinese, French, Hindi, Italian, Russian, and other. So this is all about Google Translate. How you can use Google Translate online. Now let's see offline interface. How you can operate this app. How you can access this app offline. You can only convert from one language into another. For example, here I have selected English and the other language is Hindi. To access offline, you need to download the language dictionary. For example, I have downloaded Hindi, Marathi, Urdu and Arabic dictionary to use it offline. And similar way, to access Google Translate offline, you need to download the dictionary of the particular subject of particular language. If you want to use other languages such as Chinese, Russian, French, in front of the language, click on the download option. The language gets downloaded and you can use it offline after downloading it. Only this is the difference in online. I hope you enjoyed learning Google Translate app. If you did, give thumbs up to this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.